Ang aga naman namin mag-lesson. Inaantok pa ako.
Mama.
Yeah, anak.
Mama.
Yes. Are we going back to sleep?
No.
You know it's too early.
No.
No? Can you see my eyes? Nagpa-cute. Bastos ka na. Okay, Mama will have my coffee then. Inaantok pa ako. Yung mata ko gusto pa matulog.
Mom.
Yeah, anak.
Mm.
What happened? What color is this?
Purple.
Very good, purple.
Mm.
Yeah, how about this one? Let me show you. How about this one?
Yellow.
Yeah. How about this one?
Ooh.
Very good, anak. How about this one?
Black.
Very good. What else we have here? Can you tell me what color is this?
Oh, purple.
No, it is not purple. I know it's your favorite is purple, but this one is a
Purple.
no, orange.
A purple.
Orange or red?
Or-
Anak, colorblind talaga ako, anak. Tingnan mo naman. Ano pong pinagkaiba nito? Di ba red? Orange and red? Wait na sinak.
Huh?
Parang iba yung kulay niya, anak. Naghahalo ng purple at saka red. Yeah, this one is orange, anak. Hey. This one is orange and the other one is I think this is a red. Ano tayo? Colorblind tayo. Yeah, I think this is a red, anak. It doesn't look red, but I think parang pink na di ko maintindihan. And this one is ay, ito yung orange. Ay, di. Pati ako naguguluhan na sa kulay, anak. This is yellow, this is orange. What is this pala? Kulam, anak. May problema tayo sa ating eyesight. Ito parang mustard yata itong kulay nito. Kasi ito yung yellow eh. Tapos ito. I think this is red and this is ano ba to? Purple? Oh, anak, this is ano, anak? This is blue.
Eh?
Ito pala ang blue.
Mama, mama, mama.
Dark blue siya, anak. Ito yung light blue. Ito yung dark blue. Patay tayo ito sa coloring. Okay. Yun lang.